Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Happy Wednesday, Central Oregon. We are continuing to see a chance for rain, maybe even a few thunderstorms tonight. Tomorrow, we do not see that chance for thunderstorms. We're more looking at skies with dark clouds like this. Off in the distance, you can see across the Cascades. These showers should stay with us all the way through tomorrow night, with maybe a chance for a break on Friday. With the temperatures for today, we were on the cooler side, those high 50s so far here in Central Oregon. We're looking at the high 50s in Eugene to the low 60s in Portland, then the 60s out through the Dalles. This is well below average that we've been so far for this time of year. For tomorrow, we're not looking at a whole lot warmer. In fact, we could end up being on the cooler side. This should, though, be the last day we see cooler temperatures before we begin to warm up just a little bit and for a little while. So remember those dark clouds we saw on our Pilot Butte camera? This is why. Look at this nice, beautiful, massive amount of rain that's coming up from our southwest, moving through Medford right now. We could see some of these showers later tonight and through tomorrow as this system is still sitting off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. Winds right now across the state, 14 miles per hour in Bend, 15 in Lakeview to our south, and 19 to our northwest in Astoria. For us here in Central Oregon tonight, we could see those winds up to 15 miles per hour sustained, and the gusts up to 20 with them coming out against the southwest again through the night tonight. Here's our temperatures right now: 57 in Bend, 54 in Redmond. We're looking at those 50s as well along the coast, 55 in Medford, and then the 40s to our south. A cooler temperatures all across the state as a whole, and here in Central Oregon we're already in the 40s in Lapine, low 50s in Sisters, and then as well in the 40s in Prineville, 66 right now in Warm Springs. Tonight we're going to see a little bit of a shift. Some areas will be warmer and some areas are going to be cooler than we were last night. In the Redmond area, we're going to be a little bit warmer than we typically are this time of year, and we are seeing that chance for rain and maybe some thunderstorms tonight. Then tomorrow we stay cooler, like I mentioned, and we just see a chance for some rain tomorrow. We're not really anticipating that chance for thunderstorms. We're going to see our highs in the higher 50s to low 60s for parts of the region, mid to low 50s in Lapine and the Sun River area. This is well below average for this time of year. Here's the low pressure center we've been watching over the last couple of days. It is going to start its return back to the Pacific Northwest coast tomorrow. Then Friday, it actually shoots off to the west, or to the east, I should say, quite far, and this is what we're paying attention to next. That break we're talking about on Friday is when we're sitting right between these two systems. Here's how this looks on our future track. You'll see we pretty much have a good chance for rain with just a few little clearings for the clouds all the way through Thursday into Thursday night. That's when we see the system move off to the east, and then we see that chance again return on Saturday. We're looking at a 20% Saturday, 90% on Sunday, as well as a return of thunderstorms.